CiRBA is a software product that analyzes an environment that could be of any platform, and then it analyzes the environment for compatibility of servers. And this compatibility could be from a technical point of view, constraints. It's not going to work. It's running out of power and it's turning it off. Okay, sorry. It could be technical constraints, so we analyze the environment and every server for every setting. It could be a business constraint, such as, for example, maintenance window or regulatory requirements for keeping certain servers apart. And of course, workload constraints that could be the workload, disk I/O, and it could be other factors. Each one of these constraints generate a CiRBA map. And a CiRBA map is looking for compatibility between server A as a source to server B as a potential target. And so 100% score is where we start. We assume everything's compatible, and then we deduct weight penalties for differences and variances. And then all of these analyses are added up in an n-dimensional analysis to give us the right answer for a transformation from a physical to a virtual environment. And then after that, we analyze the environment to ensure that it remains organized, that we ensure we remain in compliance with regulatory requirements. This is, for example, one of Sure. This is an example of a CiRBA analysis. This is showing me a list of servers here from that I am analyzing, interested in. And across the top, it has the same list of servers in the same order. And so I have now a matrix, a grid, and some of these, so every square in the grid represents the relationship between the server on the left to the server on the top. And so I can tell by looking at this graph that, for example, if this is a workload graph, that a server like this one here, B, is a very light load. It will easily stack on any of the servers on the top with no problem. Conversely, the last server on the list here showing a very high workload, so it has a very low compatibility to any other server in the environment. And so we have all of these server analyses that are then added, as I said, and compiled to come up with a detailed answer to manage risk and perform safe virtualization, database stacking, or application stacking.
So this is great to utilize the optimal capacity of your processing power and everything else and stuff like that?
Absolutely. It allows you to optimize your capacity, but do it in a way that doesn't ignore other factors such as your business needs, your regulatory requirements, and also addresses other factors that other products are ignoring in the market, such as if I have a workload that changes from one day to the next, it ensures and programs DRS, for example, for future workloads and ensure that I'm always in compliance and also meeting my business needs.
So that's why you won the best of VMWorld 2007.
Absolutely, we won that a few months ago in the San Francisco conference for our 4.5 release. And the major part of that was our integration with DRS that allows our customers, after having designed their business requirements in CiRBA, they now push those rules to DRS through an integration to program DRS so that DRS continues to do its wonderful thing of managing work and balancing workload, but do so respecting the business requirements and boundaries that they have established in CiRBA.
So since you won that prize, did you evolve even more? Did you add some more features?
Well, yes, we continue to evolve. We have a release coming up in a few months that will also enhance the functionality both for the transformational part of our product, the project-based type analysis, as well as the ongoing management of the data center and the virtualized data center.
Is it running in production and people are using it?
Absolutely. We have customers all around the world. In North America and across the world. We also have partners that are using our product globally to run their consulting business on CiRBA to manage their customers' requirements.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.